Hello and welcome to the channel. In the last lesson, we did long vowel U sound. The sound of long vowel U is U. And we did the words which had U and they ended in E. And how that E told us that U is producing its long vowel U sound. But somehow we missed the words which have U. They also end in E, but they produce a different kind of sound. What kind of sound is that? It's short OO sound. That means it produces a sound of O. And sometimes it produces long OO sound, which is OO. So we need to understand how short OO sound produced and how long OO sound is produced. The first word that comes to my mind for short OO words is a book. So when I say a book, book. So you see my lips, they are going not very dominantly, they are going like book, book. But if I compare it with long OO sound, example is food, book, food. Both have double O, but the sound that short OO and long OO produce is very different. Now let's cover the words which have short OO, and we come across these words very often. The first one is a book. It has double O and it produces a sound of O. Book. Soft, easy sound. Book. Same way we have a look. We don't say look, we say look. Same way we don't say book, it's book. So the sound is very soft, mild and not dominant. Book, look, foot. Do we say it as foot? No, it's foot. So book, look and foot. Now when we come across long OO, the first word is food. We don't say food, food. No, we say food. The second one is cool. I love your glasses. They are so cool, so cool. And the last one is school. We have a digraph here and we also have our long OO sound, which is school. CH is making its K sound here. It's school. Ool. It's not school. It's school. So long OO sound. Now let's do homophones. Today we are going to cover the most often made mistakes with homophones. This is lose. This is ending in E and there's an O, but we still do not use our long vowel O sound. It is pronounced as lose. And what does it mean? It means that you get defeated. Say, I did not win, so I usually lose the game. But if you have not won the game, it has something that has happened in the past, then this lose will turn into lost. I lost the game. My verb, this is an action. So this is changing its form from the present tense to past tense. This is lose. Lose when you get defeated, when you do not win something. So this is lose. And there's another lose, which has our double O word, and it is producing its long OO sound, lose. Same sound as lose above, but this loses when something is not tight. So this is the one when I say I am wearing a loose top. That means my top is loose, it's not tight. But this loose is when I did not win. So you have to understand the difference in these two. This is a verb, that means an action. You do something. I lose the game. But this is when I'm describing a noun. Now, nouns we have not covered, but I just mean to say when we are describing a thing or a person or a place. So, when I say I'm describing a thing, which could be pants. So, when I say the pants are loose, so this is the loose that I'm going to use. But when I say I have lost the game, this is the lose that changes its form to lost. This is a very often confused pair of homophones, and the meaning of the sentences completely changes when you use it interchangeably. So this is lose and again lose. We will continue with long vowel U sounds now that we know our short O words and our long O words and how their sounds are produced. We did this because lots of our words which have U, they produce either short O sound or many a times long O sound. So I hope to see you soon in the next lesson with words which have U and how they are using long O and short O sound. Bye for now.